Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove city sticker from windshield. Start by gathering a hair dryer, plastic scraper, rubbing alcohol, and a soft microfiber cloth. Warm the sticker evenly with the dryer to soften the adhesive, then lift an edge with the plastic scraper and peel slowly. Use rubbing alcohol or adhesive remover to wipe residue, then clean and dry the glass. Be patient and gentle for best results. Use the heat and peel method for most stickers because it minimizes glass damage and avoids harsh chemicals. Aim the hair dryer evenly and keep it moving to avoid overheating a spot. Once the paper lifts, peel slowly and keep the scraper flat to prevent scratches. Finish by wiping away adhesive with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth until the glass looks clear and streak-free. If the sticker resists, try alternative options like adhesive remover, dental floss, or fishing line to separate the adhesive from the glass. Soak a cloth in cleaner and press it over the sticker to soften residue before scraping. Steer clear of metal blades that can score glass and do not use acetone near tint or plastic trim. These tweaks help with tricky stickers while protecting your windshield.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.